So hello and welcome back to another video. So in this video, we are integrating the Shadcn UI into our project, note-taking project that we are going to build. So let's start with it. So guys, I have opened this note-taking project. Okay. So in the previous video, we have connected this to the database. Okay. Now we are integrating it with the Shadcn. Just simply you can go to the Shadcn and go to the Next.js installation with the Next.js and just simply copy command and run it. So the Shadcn is installed. Now go to the Shadcn. So we are going to use this dialog by to create a node, obviously. Okay. So let's do that. So go to the CLI and you can copy this command and you can just simply run this. So go to the page.tsx file and you can add a button or just simply copy from here to. Let's copy this and the components, let's create a new file called add node.tsx and just you can paste it. We have to install the button input and label also. So we are going to install that. Install the button, install the input, and install the label. Okay, and over here we are going to use this. This is dialog demo. We are going to change the name as well. So first of all, let's try to use this. Let's try to run this. So what I can see, I can open the dialog and I can just simply enter the name, username, and save the changes or whatever add to note. We are going to implement this. So that's all for this video. So in the upcoming, we are going to implement the functionality. We are going to how we will be structuring this node and creating schemas and saving this to the database. So thank you so much guys for watching this video. I will see you in the next one.